All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're going to talk about why I love flat rate. Tale of the week. Yesterday, Aaron who's our junior tech in the shop, got kicked downstairs for 3 days because Zach was on vacation. Not my decision, boss made that, but anyway, he was downstairs, so any oil changes for the week, I kind of had to spread around the shop. Well, Wednesday was looking a little slow for the guys. So I kicked any of the real work to the guys, and I took all of the oil changes that were, whatever, oil change rotates, low mileage. I took almost all of the oil changes, including a waiter, because I wanted to make sure the guys had work to do. Now, that day kind of, sucked for me. I made all of 6 hours on 6 cars. Rotates, filters, wiper blades, anything I found that was needed, I upsold. But there wasn't a whole lot. There just wasn't. I worked on one Nissan that brakes were just done, filters were good, wipers were good. It was an oil change and a rotate. But I made 6 hours. The problem was I was also done at 1:30. Now I know what you're thinking. This is a video about why you love flat rate. I love the fact that every day is different. Every day you come in and you don't know. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Today, I had a car come in. I have history with it. Came in for an oil change, PTI, pre-trip inspection, and a check engine light. Well, it didn't have a check engine light. Scanned it, no codes, nothing there, but it had a PTI on it. And the last time it was in, it had a throttle body issue. Did the update with a new Mopar throttle body, the pigtail replacement, the whole 9 yards. That's all good. But I did a thorough inspection on it this time, and it also had a complaint of a whirring noise. Well, test drove it. It's got a whirring noise. Found both front wheel bearings were noisy. One of the front struts was leaking. One of the rear struts was leaking. Control arms were torn. It was at the mileage due for spark plugs. It needed filters and wiper blades. So, I'm not having a great week. I'm not having a bad week. But my week just got a whole lot better simply because of one car. I did my job. The customer bought it. Why you'd spend that money on a Patriot, I don't know, but they are. So, FYI on a Patriot, the spindle hub assembly is close to the same price as a set of bearings, and good luck trying to press those bearings in and out. So it was also really easy doing. No pressing bearings, just a new spindle for a Mopar. That makes it really easy, but I digress. My point of this is that's why I love flat rate. Quick little change of the day, and all of a sudden your week turns around. That's why I love it. It's not the same old, something different always happens. I like that. I like I like new challenges, and I like making money. I kind of like, different challenges. I like pulling in a Honda timing belt and seeing how fast I can do it. Eric, he'll put up a timer and see how fast he can beat book time. That's the kind of stuff I love seeing, because not that we're trying to do anything wrong, but it's an interesting challenge for me. New day, new cars, let's see what happens. It's a mindset. That's the thing about flat rate. is so many people in my comments complain about flat rate. It sucks, it sucks, it sucks. It's your mindset. Might also be where you're working, but it's also your mindset. If you look at flat rate as a problem, you're going to hate flat rate. That's the fact of life. If you don't like coming in and dealing with those challenges, well, you're not going to enjoy it. If you work flat rate, look at it as the challenge that it is. Because, well, it's a fun challenge. I like figuring out ways to do things differently that the book doesn't call for, but yet I can save some time. Obviously, no cutting, no hacking, any of that kind of stuff. But my point is that I like those kind of challenges. I like getting different kind of repairs. I like doing something different. So for me, flat rate's always a win. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.